She's silent now, right? No messages, no calls, no updates. It's almost like she vanished without a word, and there you are, checking your phone, overthinking every detail, wondering what changed, what went wrong, and why she suddenly doesn't care. But here's the truth most men don't realize. Her silence isn't the end of the story. It's the beginning of your awakening. Because the moment you stop caring, that's when everything flips. When you stop caring about what she's thinking, where she's going, or who she's with, you break the invisible control she had over your emotions, and that's when she starts to feel it. Her silence might have been her move, but your indifference, that's checkmate. Let's talk about what really happens when you stop caring. First thing, her silence stops being power and starts being pressure. See, at first her silence feels powerful. It makes you question yourself. It makes you chase, explain, apologize for things you didn't even do. But once you stop caring, once you no longer respond to that emotional bait, that silence backfires. Because silence only works when you're still emotionally available. When you stop caring, the game collapses. Suddenly, she's no longer in control. She's curious. She starts wondering why you aren't reacting, why the attention she used to get is gone. And that curiosity, it eats at her. Because women can ignore men who chase, but they can't forget men who stop caring. Second thing, she starts missing the validation she thought she didn't need. When she went silent, she expected you to fill the space, to text, to reach out, to beg for clarity. But when that message never comes, when your side of the silence stays empty, something shifts in her mind. She starts realizing how much she relied on your energy, the way you made her feel seen, the way your attention grounded her. At first she told herself she needed space, but now she feels distance. And there's a big difference. Space gives freedom, distance gives anxiety. And when she feels that anxiety creeping in, she starts looking for the calm she used to get from you. Third thing, you begin to regain your emotional control. The moment you stop caring, something powerful happens inside you. You start to see how much energy you were giving away. You start realizing how much your peace depended on her response. But once you detach, once you truly stop caring whether she calls or not, that emotional roller coaster stops. You stop chasing validation and start rebuilding discipline. You start sleeping better, thinking clearer, moving differently. And here's the ironic part. When your focus shifts from her to yourself, she can feel that absence. Not through your words, but through your energy. The calm you build within starts echoing louder than any text you could have sent. Fourth thing, she gets uncomfortable with your emotional independence. Women are drawn to emotional strength until they realize they can't control it. When you stop caring, she'll start to feel that emotional wall. She'll test it, maybe through small texts, passive posts, or subtle interactions, just to see if she can still get through. But when you stay grounded, when you don't react, she's forced to face the one thing she wasn't prepared for, losing influence. Because now, you're no longer the man who bends every time she pulls away. You've become the man who doesn't chase, doesn't explain, doesn't seek approval. And that's the man every woman secretly respects and fears losing. Fifth thing, she starts questioning her own silence. At some point, the quiet starts to echo, not in your mind, but in hers. Because silence is powerful, yes, but it's also a mirror. When you stop caring, you stop feeding that mirror. You stop giving her reactions to reflect on. And when that mirror goes blank, she starts turning inward, questioning her choices, her pride, her assumptions. That's when regret begins. Not because she lost you right away, but because she realizes you stopped waiting, you stopped hoping, you stopped checking, and she can't undo that shift. Sixth thing, you start realizing she wasn't the source of your peace. You were. For the longest time, you thought her presence made you calm, that her affection made you whole. But when you stop caring, you realize something deeper. Your peace never depended on her. It depended on you. You start seeing how strong you really are when your emotions aren't tied to her actions. You become self-contained, emotionally sovereign, and that's when your power returns. You stop reacting to silence because your world doesn't revolve around it anymore. You start to understand that real strength isn't in getting her back. It's in not needing her back at all. Seventh thing, she starts remembering your presence differently. When she left, she probably told herself she'd move on easily. But as time passes, as she meets people who don't bring the same depth, she starts to miss that energy, the consistency, the calm, the care that came naturally to you. But by now, you're gone, not just physically, but emotionally. You're detached, grounded, moving forward, and that's when her silence turns into self-reflection, because now she's the one sitting there thinking, how did he just stop caring so easily? What she doesn't know is that it wasn't easy. You just finally realized your worth wasn't meant to be proven, it was meant to be protected. Eighth thing, your silence becomes your presence. This is the final stage, when your detachment turns into peace. You're no longer silent because you're hurt, you're silent because you're free. Every moment you don't react, you reinforce your strength. Every day you don't check her stories, you remind yourself that love doesn't mean chasing chaos. And when she sees that, when she feels that quiet, confident energy radiating from a man who's done caring, she realizes something brutal. She lost access to a man who was once completely hers, and the silence she used to control, now it controls her. So if she's silent now, let her be. Don't chase noise, build peace, because your worth doesn't vanish when someone stops talking to you. It expands when you stop needing to be heard. The truth is, brother, the moment you stop caring, you win. Because silence only hurts the man who's waiting for a response, but for the man who's found his peace, that silence becomes his strength. So stop chasing what's gone, stop worrying about what she's thinking, because when you stop caring, you don't lose her, you find yourself.